Gyeongdong Susan stands proud as Korea's leading brand in offline seafood sales. Made in Korea with integrity and flavor that defines our heritage. We show 3 key points of boneless monkfish. Point 1. Our boneless monkfish captures the taste of the ocean in every tender bite. Point 2. High in protein and low in fat, it delivers both health and satisfaction. Point 3. More savory than dried filefish, it redefines traditional Korean seafood flavor. A soft yet firm texture remains even after cooking for a perfect finish. From shredded to whole-dried monkfish, our lineup meets every culinary need. For inquiries or partnership opportunities, please contact us.